Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is another Saturday, which means another release. So I'm gonna head out and see if I can actually get you guys a review of these sneakers. Right here, we had the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts. And these things are, I'm not gonna call them a brick. But they are extremely available and not many people are looking for these things, and I think I know the reason why. But if this is your first time tapping into this channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Scroll through some of the videos. I'm pretty sure I got something on here that you guys will enjoy, and make sure you guys like it and watch the video all the way through, and comment down below and let me know if this is a sneaker that you're going to be picking up, or did you pick it up, or you wait for it to go on resale, or why did you not cop this sneaker. So on the live cop that I did of these today, a lot of people were saying that they didn't like this sneaker because the elephant print is smooth and the elephant print is missing. Nobody likes that, and I agree with that. I feel like that was the one thing about this sneaker that they could have done differently. But nonetheless, I do want to give you guys a video, a review of them, even though I'm not going to be taking it home with me. Also, on the live today, we had some really good feedback. I asked for prayer requests, and I want to start doing this a lot more on my channel, man. If it's anything that you guys need me to pray for, I have a prayer board at my house, and I take prayer extremely seriously. So if it's something that you're going through, something that you want to accomplish in life, or maybe it's just something that, you know what, you have, or maybe it's some things going on in your life and you're just trying to figure it out and you need to give it to God in prayer, hey man, comment down below or go to IG at KICKnology, DM me, and I definitely want to add you guys to my prayer board. Now, let's go look at these sneakers. Let's go.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get it.
All right, y'all, so I didn't end up going to the mall, but my boy, as you guys see right here, make sure y'all go follow him on YouTube. He ended up copping a pair, so I'm at his job, and I'm going to actually review them. But I want to show y'all what I got on feet today, man, because I do still wear these, bro. I still rock foam runners, man. Do y'all rock foam runners? Do y'all mess with those? Look at my church socks, bro. Yeah, man. I don't know. I'm kind of weird. I guess that's whenever you hit 40, man, I guess you start doing weird stuff like this, bro. But let's go ahead and take a look at these sneakers. All right, so we up in here straight from Foot Locker is where we got these things from. We gonna move that out the way. And this is what the box looks like if you guys are interested. You do have that Jordan 3 box. You have that university blue, light blue logo right there, Jumpman logo. This is the size tag. Like I said, this is my boy's Air Jordan 3 Retro size 13, submit white, hydrogen blue or whatever. We're gonna open this thing up, and then we do have that cement paper in there, spit the spacker, and then here are the shoes. So off rip, just looking at these things, let me grab one of them. Just looking at these things, not a bad looking sneaker. As you guys can see, leather quality is pretty good on these things, not bad at all. You do have hints of that UNC blue. And the reason why a lot of people don't like this sneaker is, as you guys can see right here, the elephant print is missing. And a lot of people don't like that, but it's smooth, like a smooth gray nubuck right there. On the back, got the we got the Jumpman logo in that blue, the UNC blue on the back, and then the cement gray on the bottom. Kind of like a sail off-white. Nike, like I said, they've been doing a lot with the sail vintage colorway on the outsole, and then on the bottom, as you guys can see right here, we do have that Jordan win in that. It's like a, man, it's really like a, you know, like the newborn babies. That's what kind of blue it looks like. It doesn't look like a UNC blue. It's more like a powder blue, if you ask me. Going across the front, you have that Jumpman logo in that super light blue. White laces, no other laces on these things, and then a toe box leather, as you guys can see right there. Inside of the shoe, the exact same thing, nothing different. So yeah, man, y'all let me know, what are your thoughts and opinions, bro? Is this a hit or a miss? They are sitting like ducks, bruh, like everywhere. Insole is that white with the blue Jumpman logo, and then it's like an off-white gray color on the insole. So like I said, the sneaker ain't bad, but it's just, I think it was dropped at the wrong time and they missed the mark without putting the elephant print on it. But you guys can see on the toe box, no elephant print that comes in the normal 3s. You got the stars on the toe box. So like I said, not a bad sneaker by any means. But definitely, like I said, as you guys can kind of see just the overview of these things, definitely would be a pair that if you are interested in, you'll be able to cop these things for under retail. So do not panic. Do not go crazy about these things. Not saying that there's, like, again, it's not worth the 200, because if you like the shoe, buy the shoe. But I'm just saying, why not get a deal on it? And these things right here would definitely be a deal. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about these things. Is this something that you cop, that you not cop? Or do you think Jordan missed the mark on these? And if so, what do you think they should have did better on these things? Hey, that's all I got for you guys. Hey, remember, like I said, comment down below, but make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hot. Remember, everything we talk about, including these threes, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.